FusionX.io. We don't make Oracle Cloud. We make exploring, using, deploying, and supporting Oracle Cloud easier, cheaper, and faster. Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you how to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back office applications. In this video, I'm going to teach you the basic rules of navigation within Fusion or Oracle Cloud. We'll also walk through differences like home pages and global headers, functional areas, etc. This lesson is part of the Oracle Cloud Getting Started course. But before we get started, did you know that you could earn free badges for display on your LinkedIn profile just by watching videos like this one? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics for this lesson are as follows: logging in, homepage, global header, menus, functional areas, quick actions, applications, landing page, there's 3 different types I'll show you, and finally tasks and the task panel. Topic number 1, logging in. This is a URL-based login. Some environments allow for auto login via what's called SSO or single sign-on, or you'll sometimes hear the term Okta. Other login styles may offer both options. This is common when accessing a test environment. For more information on how to see different login styles, look for Application Accessibility under the Explore course. Topic number 2, homepage. So this is what the general homepage will look like using the new Q3 2021 deep blue or aquamarine layout. And so you'll see this particular homepage is in the newsfeed layout, meaning it'll scroll top to bottom. There's 3 different layouts: newsfeed, top to bottom, and then panel or banner are different configurations of both moving side to side. Next, the global header. So you see the global header across the top here. It contains the navigation menu, the settings and actions menu, which is on the right where you see project manager listed in this image, the search or global search, the home button, the favorites and recent activity, as well as watch list and the notification bell. Topic number 4, menus. So like we talked about last time, that the global header contains 2 menus. The top left menu here is also the top left menu inside Fusion. It's called the navigator. Sometimes in slang, those 3 lines are also called a hamburger. Then on the bottom right of this image, you see the settings and actions menu, which is accessed from clicking on the drop-down menu on the furthest right top corner. Number 4, functional areas. So in the newsfeed layout, you'll always see these functional areas listed at the top. When you get into the panel or banner layouts, they'll just be parent icons, and when you click them, they'll expand to show the child icons. The same concept of inheritance or one functional area linking to multiple applications. When you get more into the HCM system, you'll also have something called quick actions. You can see them here on the left. On the right, and pretty pervasive across all of the applications, each functional area will have its own unique set of applications. Notice the plus in the bottom right. Pulling it all together now, if you click plus, you may have more icons for applications you can add. To see the total amount of applications you have, use the navigator menu in the upper left. This is very similar to what you do on a phone, where you have a total amount of apps and then you put icons on your springboard. Application home pages. So there's really 3 kinds of application home pages. One kind, which I call multi-transactional, is where there's a home page for a transaction that has dollars related to it. And so you see rich reporting around types, your transactions, dollar values. In the middle of the screen, we see where there's just one particular transaction, in this case a request, but this is where clicking the application icon takes you straight into a transaction homepage, different than the multi-transactional, which is really more of a reporting or some kind of call to action or listing of different transactions. Then on the far right of this image, you see setup specific. So the two transactions are the actual transactions the application is used to create. But when you create those transactions, you use setup values, suppliers, agreements, etc. And so you may see suppliers here, which is the hard right. Those home pages are just a bit more text oriented and simply oriented around expiring, things to call your attention to. Lastly, task and the task panel. So any of these different home pages, or at least most of them, will have a task panel. A task panel will show you how to create new, manage, and report on some of your transactions. It will allow you to do searches. It will show you recents and favorites. And then if there's any existing or delivered reporting, you'll see that as well. Okay, so that's the end of this presentation, but it doesn't have to be the end of your learning journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay, as promised, here are the 5 steps required to earn free badges for your LinkedIn profile in just hours. Step 1, go to www.fusionx.io. Step 2, select one of the free courses under the Discover Oracle Cloud Applications menu. Step 3, watch all the lessons or videos within that course. Step 4, only when you've completed all the lessons, email a badge request to badges@fusionx.io. Make sure to include the username, the course you took, and your LinkedIn profile ID. And then step 5, sit back and relax while we add a badge to your LinkedIn profile. That's it, voila! Now you can watch those free badges drive colleague, recruiter, and employer traffic to your LinkedIn profile.